This one has been on my list for a long time. I finally installed Zorin OS 18 Pro on my main Gigabyte PC, and this is not a quick look or first impression. I have been using it as a real daily system, with my NVIDIA RTX 4070 as the main GPU, running real work, real apps, and testing how it behaves in normal life, not just for screenshots. After proper use, this system genuinely impressed me. From the first boot, the polish stands out. The desktop loads fast, animations are smooth, and nothing feels half-finished. Zorin OS has always focused on design, but here it feels more mature. It feels like every visual detail was tuned for long-term comfort, not just to look good for a moment. With the RTX 4070, driver support has been solid. No strange flickers, no random crashes when switching between apps, and hardware acceleration works properly. That already removes one of the biggest fears people usually have about Linux and NVIDIA. The layout is where Zorin really shows its identity. Using Zorin Appearance, you can change the whole feel of the desktop in seconds. You can switch to a layout that feels very close to Windows, or something more modern and minimal, or even a more traditional Linux style. This is not just colors. The panel position, menu style, and taskbar behavior all adjust. That flexibility is powerful, especially for people coming from Windows who want something familiar while they get comfortable. Visually, this system is simply enjoyable to use. I enabled the jelly-style window effects and workspace animations, and with the RTX 4070 handling graphics, everything feels fluid and alive. When you move a window, it has that soft, elastic motion. When you switch workspaces, the transition feels smooth and spatial, like you are moving through a real environment instead of flipping flat screens. These effects are optional, but they give the system a premium feel. Workspaces became a big part of my workflow. I keep browsing and research on one workspace, Office and Documents on another, and media or communication apps on a third. The Activities overview makes this easy. You zoom out, see all your open windows, and jump exactly where you need. It keeps the desktop from feeling cluttered and helps you stay organized naturally. Software is where this system proves it is more than just good looks. Zorin OS 18 Pro comes with a strong set of pre-installed applications, especially in the Pro Edition. You get tools for productivity, creativity, and daily use without installing everything from scratch. Office work is covered immediately. Documents, spreadsheets, and presentations open smoothly. Larger files stayed responsive. Exporting and sharing in common formats worked without drama. Media use has been smooth as well. Video playback, music, and streaming in the browser all worked great. Hardware acceleration in the browser makes high-resolution video effortless on this setup. I also tested light creative work like image editing, and the system handled it comfortably. Zorin Pro includes additional creative and professional apps, which makes it feel like a ready workstation rather than a bare system. Installing new apps is simple through the software manager. You search, install, and most things just work. Applications from different sources are shown in one place, so you don't have to think about technical details. Updates are also handled centrally, which keeps maintenance easy and stress-free. Windows app support is one of the most important parts of this experience. Zorin includes built-in tools that allow many Windows applications to run. I tested several common Windows programs, and many of them worked either instantly or with a small setup step. The system guides you if extra components are needed. It feels like a supported feature, not an experiment. For people moving from Windows, this removes a lot of fear. Overall performance feels efficient. Boot times are fast, apps open quickly. I ran heavy browser sessions, Office apps, file transfers, and background tasks at the same time, and the system stayed responsive. It doesn't feel bloated, even though it looks visually rich. The settings panel is clean and easy to use. Network, displays, sound, and power options are all simple to manage. Display scaling works well, which matters with modern high-resolution screens. I connected my ASUS ROG monitor and ran Zorin at full 4K resolution with a 160Hz refresh rate. The experience has been excellent. The desktop looks extremely sharp, text is crisp, and motion feels very smooth. High refresh rate on Linux used to feel experimental. Here, it feels normal. I set the resolution and refresh rate, and the system stayed stable. No flicker, no strange scaling issues. Audio has also been seamless. I connected my Xiaomi Bluetooth speakers and they worked out of the box. The system detected them, paired quickly, and audio switched over without extra drivers or complicated steps. Music, video sound, and system audio all played clearly. Wireless audio just behaving normally adds to the feeling that this system is ready for everyday life, not just technical users. Time shift is another feature I value a lot. It's a system snapshot tool that lets you roll back if something breaks. I set it to create regular snapshots and it runs quietly in the background. Having that safety net gives confidence when installing new software or making changes. File management has been straightforward. Copying large files, organizing folders, using external drives, and accessing network shares all worked as expected. These basics working smoothly make daily use stress-free. I also connected my HP printer. Printing is something people still worry about on Linux, but here the setup was simple. The system detected the printer, and I was able to print documents without fighting drivers or strange errors. PDFs and documents printed correctly. Zorin Connect is another nice touch. It links your phone and PC for notifications and file sharing, which makes the desktop feel more connected to your daily devices. After using Zorin OS 18 Pro daily on real hardware with a powerful GPU, a 4K 160Hz display, Bluetooth speakers, a printer, real productivity work, and even Windows apps when needed, I reached a point where I stopped thinking about the operating system. I'm not missing Windows. For browsing, office work, media, file management, audio, printing, and many of the apps I care about, this system covers my needs. Zorin OS 18 Pro doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels like a refined, modern desktop operating system that happens to be Linux. It looks premium, runs smoothly, supports modern hardware, and includes tools that make daily computing practical. After detailed testing, this setup shows that the gap between Linux experiment and main computer is basically gone. Zorin OS is comfortable, polished, and reliable enough to be a true daily driver and a serious Windows replacement.